Hi students, how are you today? Are you feeling okay today? I do hope so. And today we are going to learn about debit. Have you ever heard of debit? Let's check it out.
And more about debit, here I will show you some experiment. Here I have stopwatch, container and 2 cups. In each cups there are the same amount of water that I will flow into the container. Now I will blow the water from the blue cups into the container. See how long the time taken. To blow the water from the blue cups, I need 10 seconds, 0.98 seconds. Now it's time for me to blow the water from the green cups into the container. See how long the time taken. So the water from green cups take 27.87 seconds to flow. Based on an experiment just now, which one do you think that blow faster? The green or the blue one? We can conclude that the water from blue cups flow faster than the water from the green cups. It means the water from the blue cups has more debit than the water from the greens. When we talk about debit, we talk about how fast a liquid is flowing. You can check this picture. As we see, in container A, in 1 minute, 5 liters of water flows into the container. And in the second container, tab B, in 1 minute, 12 liters of water flows into the container. In the same time, which liquid that flow faster? Of course, tab B. Why? Because there are more water flows in tab B. So one more time, when we talk about debit, we talk about how fast a liquid is flowing. Based on the explanation just now, we can write the debit of tab A is 5 liters per minute. One more time, 5 liters per minute. It means every 1 minute there are 5 liters of water flowing. And we can write the debit of water in tab B. Tab B, it is 12 liters per minute. What is the meaning of 12 liters per minute? It means every 1 minute, there are 12 liters water flowing. Now, we are going to do some exercise. The first exercise that we will do is number 3, page 236 in your textbook. Let's read the question. Water is flowing through a tap at 6 liters per minute. It means the debit is 6 liters per minute. How much water flows in 15 minutes? As I said just now, 6 liters per minute. It means every 1 minute there are 6 liters of water flowing. So, in 15 minutes, of course, the water flowing is 15 times 6. 15 times 6. 6 times 5, 30. 3, 6 times 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 90 liter. So 90 liters of water flow in 15 minutes. Okay, now we are going to continue to answer the question in our textbook number 5. But before, I suggest you to read number 4 and to by yourself. And now, let's solve number 5. The capacity of tank is 147 liter. It takes 3 hours to fill the tank with water from a tap until it is full. What is the debit of the water from the tap? So it means we need 3 hours to make the tank full. And the capacity of the tank is 147. So we can write 147 liter. If 3 hours, the water flow is 140. How much water flow in 1 hour? We can find by divide 147 divide by 3. Let's divide 147 divide by 3. It is 4 times 3, 12, subtract 4 minus 2 is 2, put down 27 divided by 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So it is 49 liter. It means the debit of the water is 49 liter per hour. One more time, every 1 hour the water flow into the container is 49 liter. And now we are going to do number 7 in page 237. We read the question first. A rectangular tank measuring 80 cm by 50 cm by 45 cm is filled with water flowing from a tap at 9 liter per minute. It means the debit of the water, the debit of the tap is 9 liter per minute. After how long will the tank be 3/4 full? Note 1 liter equal 1000 cubic centimeter. So the first step that we need to do is to find the volume of the water if it is 3/4 full. So how to find the volume of the water? Because it's not full, it is only 3/4. 3/4 times length. The 80 centimeter is the length. Times 80 times 50. 50 is the breadth. And 45 is the height of container. Okay, let's find any number that we can cross so it will be simple. Yes, 4 divided by 4, 1. 80 divided by 4, it is 20. So let's times 3 times 20, 60. 60 times 50. Now it's simple. 6 times 5, 30. There are 2 0, 3000. 3000 times 45. Okay, just times 45 times 3. 3 times 5, 15. 1. 3 times 4, 12. Plus 1, 13. 135. There are 3 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 135. 135,000 cubic centimeter. Okay, look at 1 liter equal to 1000. So how many liter it is? Is it? So we cross 3 0. So it is 135 liter. So the volume of the water inside the tank is 135 liter. Okay, the question, how long will the tank be 3/4 full? The debit of the water just now is 9 liter per minute. It means 9 liter of water will flowing in 1 minute. So 135 and 35 liter, how many minutes does it take to reach this volume? Okay, so we will find the time. 135 divide by every 1 minute there are 9 liters of water flowing. Let's divide together. 135 divided by 9. 13 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 9, 9. Okay, we subtract. 13 minus 9 is 4. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5 times 9, 45. So it is 15 minutes. So the time taken until the container has 135 liter, we need 15 minutes. So the tank will take 15 minutes to be 3/4 full. Okay, now we are in the last question of our textbook in this session. We read the question first. We need to understand what is the meaning of the question here, because this type of question is quite difficult. A rectangular tank, 45 cm long, 28 cm wide, and 30 cm high is filled with the water up to 1/3 of its height. Water from a tap flows into the tank at 2.5 liters a minute. So there was water and another tap. There are water from another tap. So let's go, continue. How much water in the tank after 5 minutes? First, we have to know what is the volume of the water before the water from the tap flowing. It is 1/3 of the capacity of the tank. So volume of the water in the tank, 1/3 times length. The length is 45. And then 28 is the breadth. And 30 is the height. Do we have any number that we can simplify? Yes. 3 divided by 3, 1. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So let's find 15 times 28. We go down a little bit. 15 times 28. 40. 8 times 1, 8. Plus 4, 12. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 1 plus 1, 3. 0, 2, 4. 420 times 30 again. 420 times 30. We don't need to times the 0, we just times the non-zero number. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. There are 2 0, 1, 2. So 12,600. 12,600 cubic centimeter. As we know, 1 liter equal 1,000 cubic centimeter. So 12,600 divided by 1,000. 12,000 divided by 10, it is 126 divided by 10 is 12.6. So it is 12.6 liter. Now we are not done here, because there are another tap that has the debit 2.5 liter per minute. It means every 1 minute there are 2.5 liter water flowing into the tank. How much water in the tank after 5 minutes? It means after 5 minutes, 5 times 2.5, 2.5 times 5. Okay, let's times 5 times 5, 25. 2, 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. See, we have one decimal here, so we have to put one decimal here. So it is the product of 5 times 2.5 is 12.5. So after 5 minutes, the water from the tap is 12.5, but there was 12.6 water before. So how much the water in the tank now? What should we do? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract, multiply, or divide? Of course, we have to add. The water was 12.6. And now, the water from the tap is 12.5. So, how much is it? Let's find. 12.6 plus 12.5. Remember, in addition of decimal, we have to put the decimal in the same line. 6 times 5. 6 plus 5. 11. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 1. 5. 1 plus 1. 2. 25.1. So, there are 25.1 liter of water is in the tank after 5 minutes.